This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I want to first of all thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. I just want to thank everybody in our community, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video, take a look inside the box, um, because right now, I'm kind of in between buddy builds and I don't have nothing else going on right now. Uh, So I decided I'd just do an unboxing video. So what we got right now, we're going to unbox this Hasegawa 120 scale Ferrari 312T 1971 Monaco Grand Prix winner. And this is a very, very detailed kit, very expensive kit. If you try to buy it, it's pretty expensive. I bought it years ago when it wasn't so expensive, but now trying to buy this kit is crazy. But as you can see, let's take a look at the box here. Beautiful box art. It's got a picture of what's inside the box right here. As you can see, it's got 196 parts. Beautiful kit. Look at that car. That is one sexy Ferrari right there. I love Formula One cars, especially the vintage Formula One cars. Anything from say 80 and down, I really love. The newer ones, they're all right, but they just don't have the character that the old Formula One cars did. And then here's the side of the box art right here, which really nothing on there much. Here's this side of it, not a lot of difference. Now on this side of the box, you can see the built model, highly detailed engine, beautiful car. Alright, let's open her up. Alright, let me move the box over here. You can see we got this sprue right here. I tell you what we'll do is, you can see everything in there like this, all still sealed up. So y'all be the first ones to see it opened up. Alright, so let's start off. Let me move this out of the way and I'll just start ripping open packages. Let's start out with this chrome here. Let you see how nice this chrome is. Look at that. It's got a good shine on it. Look at that. Very good. This would be your front air dam or spoiler, whatever you want to call it, and this would be your rear spoiler. Looks like it's got a couple of for the mirrors right there. Look how shiny that is. Very nice. Alright. Let's take a look at this piece right here. It looks like it's got the clear glass tire decals in it. Let's pop this thing open right here. Alright, first of all, I don't know if you can see that very good or not, but that's your tire transfers right there. And I'm not going to peel that back right there, so you see that. That's what that is. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not very good, but here's your clear glass, your little windshields. Got two different ones, so I guess for two different versions. Here is your brake coolers. They would have to be, they're translucent, so I guess that they would have to be done in like a clear orange, clear yellow mix or both. And this right here is for your velocity stacks to sit on top of your carburetors right there, and that would be done as far as the box art goes, be done in that clear orange. So that's everything. And this here is your supposed to be on your velocity stacks right here, the what do you call it, they would be metal air cleaners. That's what that is. they're molded in translucent color. Alright, what we got here? We got your wheels, or part of your wheels. Looks like a little radiator. Looks like a axle piece. See, that would be a rear wheel, I can tell you right now, I think, by looking at it. And then this one would be a front wheel. They're molded in two different halves. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice, crisp molding. I don't even see any flash on this. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but I do not see any flash. And then here's another tree just like that one. But then here's the other side of it. It looks like your disc brakes, your calipers, looks like your foot pedals, the detail on the brakes. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let's see. Now it's time to open up the big bag. Dump this out here into my box. Alright, now what you see there, that's your body. Look how nice. Look, I don't see any flash whatsoever. It's molded in red. That would be your sides that go up underneath here. That would go right here. Look at that. This right here will go down the sides right here. Man, you can see the scale of that, 120. It'll probably be about like that built, so you know it's going to be pretty nice. There's the underside of it. Okay, now these parts are molded in white, and that right there will be your scoop to bring the air, force the air into the engine. And that right there looks like for your back wing to set on. Very nice battery. Very nice. Alright, what we have here. Looks to me like we got some engine parts. Looks like roll bars. I'm not for sure what these parts would be until I get into it, but as you can see there, nicely molded, no flash. Got a set of black parts. Okay, it looks like suspension, steering wheel, seat. So that would be all probably suspension parts. Here's a couple of mirrors right there. Very nice. Ooh, here's the engine. Look at that bad boy. I don't know if you can see that good or not. See, the black's hard to get the detail, to see all the detail in that engine. But very nice. The cylinder heads, look at there. Or not the heads, but the, yeah, I guess that'd be the valve covers. Look at that. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. Beautiful. And there's the back side of it. Here is the exhaust. You can see there. Very nice. Trying to get all this to focus for you. I'll take still pictures for the end of the video and just stick around and y'all can see the still pictures. That way y'all can get a better view than what I can show you here because the camera won't focus. There's that. And here's your, I call it cockpit, fuselage, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful detail. Here's the bottom side of it. Alright, here's the cockpit. And there is more of the little radiators or intercoolers, whatever you want to call them. That's the bottom of it. I'm not for sure what those parts are for, probably for back here and stuff. And last of the red parts right there. And then I've already opened the tires up for you with the little poly caps. Everybody knows what that is. Look how wide those tires are. Look how compared to the front. Beautiful. And then here's the decals, or not decals, but the instructions. Y'all stick around and I'll take still pictures of this and the decals and the rest of it. That way you can get a good picture of everything. You can pause and freeze wherever you want and stuff. That way you can look at it. And I want to thank all my subscribers. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.